Hey guys, this is Bhushan and you're watching cloudyrathor, and right now I am working on one project and this is a series of Flask. But every time when I want to run the code of Flask, so at the end of the code, means just before the running the Flask code, I need to check this line, that is double underscore name equals to double underscore main. And in this video we will talk about the same thing, then why we need to check this about double underscore name equals to double underscore main, and what is this and why we need to check it. So let's get started. So guy, to check this, the first thing I need to make is one Python file. So here I will make one Python file that's as a module 1, and then I will try to print the same variable, because in Python double underscore name double underscore is treated as a special function in Python, and if source file is executed as the main program, then the Python interpreter sets double underscore name double underscore equals to double underscore main double underscore if the file is imported from other module. Because in short, a double underscore name double underscore evaluate to the current name of the module, because there is no main function in Python. So every time when Python imports something, so it will treat it as a main function. So let's see how it treats this. So if I want to just print this variable, so what we so called the special variable, then now see what will happen. So here I try to print the name, try to print double underscore name double underscore, and it gives the output that is double underscore main double underscore. So what is this? Because right now the Python treat the module underscore 1 as a main program. Okay, now just try to illustrate it. Okay, now suppose if I am writing my name is module underscore 1 and I am running as, and then just give this and then format, and then try to give double underscore name double underscore, and now try to print it. So here it gives us my name is module 1 and I am running as underscore double underscore main double underscore main. When I am try to print double underscore name double underscore, it gives us double underscore main double underscore. Okay, I will start the presentation mode so that you can see it very easily. Okay, so every time when I print it, every time when I execute this program, that is double underscore name double underscore, so it gives the double underscore main double underscore. Then why we need to check it every time? Because it's already gives us that is double underscore main double underscore, so we need to consider that every time it will gives us the same, but this is not the case. Now try to check it. Now again I will make one more module, and here its name is module underscore 2, and then I will write the same statement here also. So I will write the same statement here, and then I will change its name to 2, and then I try to print it. Okay, and then I want to print it. So then execute the same, And here also I got the same thing, that is my name is module 2 and I'm running as a double underscore main double underscore. But what if I import module 1 here? Now, as I already imported the module 1, and in module 1 also it gives the same output, that is my name is module 1 and I'm running as underscore underscore main, and module 2 also gives the same thing. Now what happen if I import module 1 in module 2, and then we'll try what will happen. Now the case is changed. My name is module 1 and I'm running as a module 1 because it is an imported module, and that's why Python treat it as a imported module and it gives the name of the module. But the module which is running or which is importing this module from the other, then it's treated as a main, because I already told you there is no main function in the Python. So every time the Python run the code, it treat that code as a main, and that's why if any mistakes happen, then it may possible that the code will not run. And that's why every time when I try to execute the code, I need to check whether underscore underscore main underscore underscore equals to underscore underscore main underscore underscore, and that's all.
So guys, stay innovative, stay hungry, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. I will get back to you very soon. Till then, bye bye.